Morning guys, I'm out with my son Isaac today. Have a bit of a play. He's over here throwing pontoons. I'm just going to do one. Just want to throw up this boat here. I don't know why, but I think it's got a hold of fish. Nothing, eh? Alright. That's why I come in sometimes when I'm fishing here. Because like the birds just absolutely wreck your brain. Come on, mate. Oh, bloody hell. Pulled the hook. Come on. Through. Still got him? Alright, I'll come and net it. It's a good one, isn't it? Where is he? Oh, he's a good one, man. Oh, he's a cracker. Cracking fish, man. Yeah. Bail on, I'm gonna break the rope. That's probably a kilo fish, Ice. Well done. Look at that thing, man. You smashed it. Watch my rod tip, watch my rod tip. Okay. Look at this thing. It'd be, oh, he just milked all over me. Look at that. Well done. There you go. All right, wind in. And come over here. I'm going to hold it and we're going to get a photo. I'll come out a little bit. That is a cracker. Listen in. All right, come over. Just turn a bit. Okay, that's okay. All right. Hey, I learned patience. All right, come up a bit closer. All right. Let's put your rod down, lie it down. No, not in the middle, on the side. Perfect. All right, grab him where my finger is. That's it. Oh, just milked all over you. I'm gonna have a rag, I don't think.
Ew.
Oh, no, you got to move your fingers out of the way a bit more. Move your fingers. No, your fingers have got to be further down. That's not bad. Not bad. My mum's going to spew you, I haven't got a hat on. I didn't even think about it.
Oh, it's coming on my hand, man.
Alright, well done. Fuck. Hope it didn't roll. Yeah. It's only little. So they might be further in. don't think we need to, it's only baby. Want me to get it? No, no, don't do that. He's going to pull it straight further in.
How's your fish?
You get it? Get it?
How was your fish?
What?
How was your fish?
Have you got it off? Oh no! How do you break everything, man? Little baby. Cross over the other side. Okay, I do all these ones and then we'll go right around. We've got a lot of time. What you can do is just put the kayak in reverse and just let the current take you, but because you're in reverse you won't go as fast. Got him. Oh, this is a good one, man. If this is a bream, this is a good one. Oh no. Oh, I felt the tap on that one. Oh yeah, good one, man. Keep casting, mate. No, it's little, man, little. Thought it was massive. Little. Lucky, I looked up. I thought that was heaps bigger. Weed. Oh man. Oh no. Oh.
Is it a good one?
Yeah. Oh, reverse. Oh, look at the rod bend. Oh. No, I got him. See, if you have your drag really tight, you're usually all right. That was a good one. Oh. Okay, got him. Got a good one. Finally. Okay. Yeah. Not bad. Okay. Oh, that's about it. Alright. Where are them pliers? Alright. Oh, I didn't have it that well. Oh, I did have it in. Yeah. Okay, there's a lure. Little pygmy mussel. Pretty cool, eh? Alright, we'll wrap it up there. 4 fish. Isaac got a really good one on a crabby. I got 2 okay ones on a River Sea Baby Vibe, and I got a really good one on the Pygmy mussel, blue lip bait. Good time to get out, guys. Water temps are up a little bit. Fish are on the pontoons. That other side was a lot better than this side that we did, but I was just glad to get one more on this side so we didn't waste our time doing the whole side. Catch up with you soon. Have River to Sea baby vibes by the time this video airs. Back in stock, black UV, which is a standout, and prawn all back in stock. So I'll put a link to them in the description, and I'll put a link to the Pygmy mussel in the description also. Have a good day. Cheers, guys.